ABC Speaking Academy.
Today, let's learn how to introduce ourselves. Are you ready? Let's begin. Hi, my name is Leo. Hi, my name is Leo. I am 8 years old.
I am 8 years old.
I live in a happy house with my family.
I live in a happy house with my family.
I have a mom and a dad and a little brother.
I have a mom, a dad, and a little brother.
My mom is a teacher and my dad is a chef.
My mom is a teacher and my dad is a chef.
My brother is 4 years old and he loves to play with blocks.
My brother is 4 years old and he loves to play with blocks.
I go to grade 2 in a lovely school.
I go to grade 2 in a lovely school.
My teacher is very nice and kind.
My teacher is very nice and kind.
My favorite subject is English.
My favorite subject is English.
I also love drawing and coloring.
I also love drawing and coloring.
My favorite color is purple.
My favorite color is purple.
I like to eat spaghetti and ice cream.
I like to eat spaghetti and ice cream.
I have a pet cat named Whiskers.
I have a pet cat named Whiskers.
She's white and fluffy.
She's white and fluffy.
On weekends, I like to go to the park.
On weekends, I like to go to the park.
I enjoy playing on the swings and slide.
I enjoy playing on the swings and slides.
I also love reading storybooks before bed.
I also love reading storybooks before bed.
When I grow up, I want to be a doctor.
When I grow up, I want to be a doctor.
I like helping people and making them smile.
I like helping people and making them smile.
Thank you for listening.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you for listening.
Nice to meet you.